Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. What's going on?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Great, thanks.
What's up, everybody?
What's going on?
How we doing?
What's that, bro?
What's up, Danny? Long time no see, man. Glad you're still alive.
Yeah, bro. Of course.
Hey, everyone. Happy Monday. What's happening?
I get too much sauce, that's why it be dripping out.
Basically, anybody who sells products that you can find in local stores, CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Kroger, ShopRite, all those stores, they're flying off the shelves right now. You know, a lot of people are going back to school for college. Kids are going back to regular school. It's just in a lot of these northern states, it's winter, so people don't like to go outside as much. So they're doing a lot of online shopping. So it's our responsibility as Amazon sellers to provide as many products as humanly possible. I mean, it's grind time now more than ever. You want to kick off 2022 to a great start. And the way to do that is by offering your customers a wider variety of SKUs at competitive prices, as you all continue to do. Does that make sense? Okay, great. We got any questions here as we bring in the new year?
Hey, Eric, I got one for you.
Yeah, William, what's up, my friend?
How you doing, man? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, man.
Hey, so I kind of, I guess luck in ordering a product for myself. I got to talking to this rep and was connected with the CEO. We got into a general conversation about selling on Amazon.
Okay.
Newer brand, they're about 2 years old, very limited product base, but they have existing listings on Amazon, just a few.
Okay.
Product we use, we're familiar with it. It's kind of a niche market, I guess. The CEO followed up with me today and basically just, reiterated what I knew. Hey, we're already selling on Amazon. Would that basically ask me, would that interfere with us having a partnership? Yeah. So my question to you is, how would you approach, and I'm sure it's in the course that I'm working through, how would you approach that conversation with that? I know there's a lot of unknowns about the product, but are you trying to swing the brand away from even dealing with Amazon? What are you trying to do with something like that?
So it kind of depends on sales velocity. If the volume's there for these listings and it's worth it taking it on completely yourself, then absolutely that would be goal number one for me, would be what do I need to bring up or talk to this company about based on the conversation that I've had that would convince them to let me do all their fulfillment. Right. But sometimes the best way to do that is just get started saying, hey, I'll take on 5 of your SKUs and then we'll connect in 60 or 90 days and we'll just see how it's going. So then you got a little more skin in the game when you actually bring that up to them. So it really depends on how the conversation's going now. If you think that they'd be comfortable handing it over, then absolutely shoot for it. If you think it would be better to partner for a couple months and then ask, then that's what you should do as well.
Would you sell on the same SKU with that brand? I mean, I guess you're essentially sharing sales at that point. My question is, I'm trying to figure out what's the sales pitch, I guess, why would they give up their sales, right? They're a fairly new brand. They're doing well. I mean, it's, it's not thousands of units a month, but it was like 400, 500 units a month. A couple of their SKUs are pushing. The interesting part is their competitor, which there's only one real competitor of that product's doing 4 times what they do, but they've been in the game 6 years longer than them.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing. This is what I would convince them of, right? That they're good at building brands.
Right.
You don't want them to focus on the day-to-day of Amazon because at scale, it's no longer an everyday job anymore, right? As you begin to grow it. So yeah, they're doing 400 units a month on this listing, 300 on that listing. But your goal is 90 days from now, 180 days from now, for those listings to do 1,000 units a month. Right. So your goal is to grow their sales and in turn increase their customer base on Amazon, and they don't have to worry about that anymore. Any fulfillment, any returns, any questions, they all get funneled through you so they can focus on creating new SKUs and expanding their brand that way.
Right on. That's kind of what I thought made the most sense, was to try and approach them with that. Let us handle this side of it, the customers and all that of Amazon, and grow the business for you, because clearly they're real new to it. So
yeah, and that's exactly how I'd pitch it. Hey, listen, you're great. I love your product. You're great at building brands. Why don't you continue to focus on that? We could alleviate the pressure of selling on Amazon. We'll manage that for you. I just want the most competitive wholesale pricing. and we could even work out an advertising budget and all that. Be very transparent with them.
Okay. And what do you make of that? Like I said, we use this product, so we know it was interesting for me to see that the competitor at even a higher price is doing 4 times the sales they're doing. But like I said, they had 4 more years of Amazon than they did with those same products, right?
Yeah.
So that's kind of what I see is there's a ton of market share there that they can get, or we can get for them, right? Is that what you would see there or no?
Absolutely. 100%. You're bringing case studies of other brands and what they're doing and say, hey, this person's doing 4X of what you're doing. They're doing 1,600 units a month. I see no problem getting your product to at least 1,000 units per month. So doubling your sales monthly by me taking on your brand and making sure A, that it's in stock, B, that it's always priced, C, that I'm always running some sort of promotion or coupon on it to continue to drive traffic. And, possibly bringing up them some ideas about, I don't know if they have inserts with warranties, but ways to help them get the consumer off of Amazon into their own funnel is also great as well. I just ordered a bunch of stuff on Amazon. I got, one, watch a video, put your email address in. I got another, sign up for the warranty, put your email address in. So there's ways to do that too.
Great call. Another great call. Appreciate all of you.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you got any questions, hit us in the Facebook group. And we'll see you all next week. Same time, same place.
Night, all.
All right. Adios. Have a good evening.
Good night.
I'll see you at the top.
Good night, everyone.
Hey, lit.